How to update IG trading application on your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to update your IG trading app on your smartphone so it runs smoothly with the latest feature, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store on your smartphone. In the search bar, type in IG Trading and search. Look for this IG Trading investing crypto application and look if there is an update button available. If you see the update button, tap on it immediately to download the latest version of the app on your smartphone. If you see open instead of update, it means your application is already up to date. So with that, you'll be able to update to the latest version of IG Trading app. After the app is updated, you can enjoy smoother performance, better security, and new features inside the IG Trading app. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.